ever applied foundation only to end up with dry patches, cracks, or that dreaded cakey look? If you have dry skin, I totally get the struggle. But today I will show you how to get a smooth, flawless base without the cake. These simple steps will completely change your makeup game. Step 1. Prep your skin. The secret to avoiding cakey foundation starts with proper skin prep. If you have dry skin, always begin by gently exfoliating to get rid of any flaky texture. That buildup is what foundation clings to. Follow up with a deeply hydrating moisturizer to lock in moisture. If your skin still feels tight or dull, add a drop or two of facial oil for an extra boost. Give it a few minutes to fully absorb before applying primer or makeup. Don't rush this step. Foundation looks best when applied to calm, balanced skin. Think of prep as the canvas for your flawless finish. Step 2. Use a hydrating primer. Look for one that's hydrating, something with ingredients like glycerine or hyaluronic acid. This type of primer helps your foundation grip without clinging to dry patches. Stay away from mattifying primers, which tend to make dry skin look even more textured. Step 3. Choose the right foundation. Now let's talk about foundation. The wrong formula can ruin your look before you even finish blending. Skip matte or powder-based foundations. Instead, go for dewy, hydrating or serum foundations. These are designed to give you a fresh, glowing finish without emphasizing texture. Now, let's quickly look at applying foundation with a brush, something many people still prefer. A dense foundation brush can offer more coverage and precision, especially around the nose and jawline. However, on dry skin, brushes can sometimes cause streaks or lift flaky patches, especially if the skin is not prepped well. You can still use a brush. Just make sure it is clean and use gentle stippling motions rather than swiping. Press the foundation into the skin rather than dragging it across. For an even better finish, you can go over everything with a damp sponge afterward to smooth out any streaks. If you notice the foundation sitting on top of the skin or clinging to texture, try warming it slightly on the back of your hand first. Opt for brushes with softer, synthetic bristles. They are less likely to irritate dry areas, and always work in thin layers. It is easier to build coverage than fix cakiness. Also, avoid overloading the brush with product. Start with a small amount and add more only if needed. And remember, technique matters more than the tool. How you apply can make all the difference. Step 5. Blend and set the right way. After blending, skip the heavy setting powder. Just use a tiny bit on oily areas like your T-zone. Then finish with a hydrating setting spray. Spritz it lightly over your face and gently press it in with your sponge. This step helps melt everything together and gets rid of that powdery, cakey look. Bonus tips and recap. Let's quickly recap. Step 1. Exfoliate and hydrate. Step 2. Use a moisturizing primer. Step 3. Pick the right foundation. Step 4. Apply lightly and blend with a damp sponge. Step 5. Set with mist, not powder. And here's a bonus tip. Mix a drop of facial oil directly into your foundation. It boosts hydration and gives a dewy, skin-like finish. When applying foundation, less is more, especially for dry skin. Start with a thin layer and build only where needed. Use a damp beauty sponge to press the foundation into your skin. This technique blends better and gives a more natural, hydrated finish compared to a brush. I hope these tips help you say goodbye to cakey foundation for good. If this video helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to foundation for dry skin. I would love to hear. And if you have got a friend struggling with dry skin and foundation issues, feel free to share this video with them. I post new videos every week, so turn on the bell so you never miss one. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, great skin prep leads to great makeup days.